So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down until we find Internet Information Services. You want to tick the box and then click on OK. It's now going to start searching for required files. It's now going to start applying changes. Just wait for this. Once that's been done, we can now resolve this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in Internet Information Services. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to expand your computer name. Click on Application Pools. You want to find Default App Pool. Right click on it and then click on View Applications. You want to find Default App Pool. You want to right click on it and then click on Advanced Settings. And now this will come up. You want to find Enable 32-bit Applications. Click on the drop down and then make it true. And then click on OK. For the last step, just restart your computer. And then that's how you do it.